So in this problem, what I'm going to do is going to go ahead and show you how to set up the percent proportion and then how to solve it. So here it says the lunch choices last Friday were mushroom or pepperoni. The cafeteria made 35 pizzas in all, 21 of which were mushroom pizzas. What percentages of the pizzas were mushroom pizzas? So let's go ahead and read it again. So the cafeteria, I'm going to read, the cafeteria made 35 pizzas in all. So in all means that is your whole number. So I'm going to go ahead and put 35 on the bottom, and then 21 were mushrooms. So 21 were mushrooms, that's your part, so I'm going to put 21, and then I'm going to put the percent is something I don't know because it's asking what percentage, and I put 100. Now the way we're going to do this is we're going to go ahead and do cross products. And cross products, what you do is you multiply 21 times 100. So anything that's diagonal, you multiply. So that's going to be 21 hundredths divided by 35. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and see how many 35s go into 210. So 35 plus 35 is 70. 70 plus 70 is 140. 140 plus 70 is 210, I believe. So let's see, 70 and 70, 2, 4, 5, maybe 5. Let's do 5. 5 times 5 is 25. That's a 2. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 2 is 17. That's too little, so I'm going to go ahead and erase that because that's not it. So I'm going to go try it again. So I'm going to put 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 3, 18, 19, 20, 21. So I'm going to go ahead and put my 0 because you subtract that, bring down the 0. 35 into 0 is 0. So then that means this is 0. So that means this is 60. So the percentage of pizza that were mushroom pizzas is 60%. So what we did, once again, we went ahead and did 21 times 100 because those are diagonal to each other. So you need to multiply that and then divide it by the number that's left outside to find out what x equals to. So in this case, it was 60%. So go ahead and put this in your assignment and then go to the next question to answer it yourself.